as we all know, everyone in Australia loves an avocado. So to hero the avocado, I'm going to be cooking a salmon sushi bowl. So let's get to it. Sorry, that was too silly. Okay, so I'm going to start off by making some garlic and ginger rice. If you add a little dash of olive oil when you're heating butter, it stops the butter from burning. So you can hear the butter starting to sizzle now, so it's time to go in with the garlic and the ginger. Just going to stir that through for like 1 to 2 minutes. That's smelling nice and fragrant now, so I'm going to go in with the rice. So I'm just using basmati rice, and we put that straight into the butter and stir it around, kind of like when you're making a risotto. And the grains of rice just soak up all the butter and they become sort of translucent. The butter's all absorbed into the rice now, so I'm going to go in with the water. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Okay, that's starting to boil now, so I'm just going to reduce it to a low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. So now we're going to make the wasabi mayo. I'm just going to go in with some garlic aioli, some wasabi, add a tablespoon of water, which will just sort of loosen the aioli a little. I'm going to mix that all together. Season the salmon now. We want the pan to be really, really hot. If you don't wait for it to be hot enough, then the skin won't crisp up. So I'm going straight in with the salmon, skin side down. And you want to hear that sizzle when you put the salmon in the pan. I'm going to do these for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. The way to get your skin really crispy is if you just press down with a spatula to make sure all of the skin is in contact with the pan. Okay, the salmon's been in the pan for about 4 minutes now, so I'm just going to lift it up and sort of tap the skin, and I can tell that it's gone nice and crispy. So I'm going to flip it. I can see that it's still a little bit pink on that side, so I'm just going to sear it quickly. Okay, so I'm just going to turn the rice off and put a lid on. Okay, so that can just set aside to rest for a while. That's already pretty hot from the salmon, so I'm going to go straight in with the Asian greens and just stir those for a couple of minutes until they're wilted. Season with a bit of salt and pepper, and that's done. We're ready to plate up. I'm just going to stir through a few black sesame seeds into the rice. You can just get a spoon round, I've already sliced it, and just scoop it out really easily. And a drizzle of the wasabi mayo, and a few more black sesame seeds to finish. And that's a wrap!